Does anybody have the 70th anniversary map from this morning?
Yes.
That is the exact same vehicle. So that seat that he's sitting in is the seat right in front of you right here.
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh wow.
Turn it over.
Turn it over, baby.
There you go. There you go.
Oh.
Alrighty, my friends, before we get started, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. My friends in the back, if you would like to ring the bell, you're more than welcome. Go ahead. Alright, now that I've heard it before we started, I'm not going to hear it again. So as much as you want to ring it, go for it.
Okay.
Alrighty, my friends, let's get started.
Alright, guys. Yay. These guys are close. Oh yeah, what is it? I wonder what the guys are going on. Oh my God, look at that.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
Oh, really?
They've been doing that since.
It's 70th, but look at the line.
Yeah, they're basically just. Yeah, what do you think of
Did you get a picture of you?
I woke up at 7:10.
I mean, frankly, I don't think it would have made a much difference. Like,
Stay right there, my friends. Stay right there. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm best at the club.
there we go.
Coming right behind you, my friends. Right behind you. Thank you.
The cinema's good. And you have a little like 3-minute tribute to I think it's a little promo. A little like trailer for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Right behind you, my friends. Alrighty, remain seated. We're gonna take a quick pause. All the way outside the red brick road.
Look at that.
Thank you. You're doing great, Mark.
Okay, so where can we grab it now? When you can.
Right behind you, my friends. Right behind you.
Okay, oh yeah. I think it's a big deal, right?
Right behind you, my friends.
First time. Oh, really? Oh, it's going to be a lot of fun. What do we do there? No, I already got the other one. The multi one. I don't know why that.
Yeah, but there it's filming. They're filming.
Huh?
Yeah.
That one. Are you suspecting that was for the New York Stock Exchange?
Yeah, I saw that. So now it's like